So yeah, here we go. Nothing yet, nothing as of right now. Can I make it go this way? Does it have to be this way? I don't know. But anyway, since I'm currently not at my computer, an update as to how Etika is. This is Alice saying Desmond Daniel Amofa, aka Etika, is at Elmhurst Mental Hospital. Hold on. I'm in a car and it's getting hot. I'm in my car, to be specific. Okay, I'm turning on the AC. It's like, gosh. And he told... Yeah, it's not ruining your birthday. What happened to Etika? Where are you, man? Shoot, Alice is just trying to get more...
Alright, so you have load. You have load.
No. No. Friends, hey, is Etika and Mom that witnessed, and we're all there for him tonight. Any rumor you hear is false unless it's from us. Please stop saying stupid things and be considerate. It's a hard time for all of us. She went back to retweet.